In this video, I will show you how to add the Tron network to your Trust wallet. First things first, locate and open your Trust wallet app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in the app, look for an icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Next, tap on the search bar, located at the top. Type in Tron and hit Done. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies related to Tron. To add the Tron network, simply toggle on the switch next to TRX, Tron. This action enables support for TRX within your wallet. Now that you've enabled it, go back to the home page. You should now see TRX displayed prominently in your crypto section. This means you've successfully added the Tron network. With TRX added, users can easily send or receive funds directly through their wallet. Plus, there are options available for buying or selling TRX as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.
Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro